right, let's make one of the all-time great classic American cocktails, the Sex on the Beach. You know, the goddamn drink you pay $15 for in the bar because the girl wants it. Here's how to make it yourself. 1 shot of vodka. 1 shot of orange juice. 1 shot of cranberry juice or a cranberry juice cocktail. Depends on, kind of what you want your level of sweetness to be. And 1 shot of peach schnapps. Can be any old variety. And then just give this a stir to combine and enjoy. That's it. I just saved you $14.50. Now serve her this and get yourself a blowjob.